Hello guys, it's me, Japan Man #1, and yes, I am back so soon because I also had another package. It was from Station Main Box 1991, Station Main, Winnipeg, Manitoba, R3C 3R3. So I suggest we open this thing. I got the knife with me. Gotta be careful. Huh? I see something inside. I wonder what it is. It's another plushie. It's Iggy Koopa. Oh dear, poor Iggy Koopa. He's wrapped inside his bag prison. Which means I'm gonna have to put the phone down again. Okay, guys, watch me open up Iggy. Time for you to come out, Iggy. Whoa, where am I? You're in my room, Iggy Koopa. Who said that? Up here. Oh, hi, whoever you are. Are you my owner? Why, yes I am, Iggy Koopa. And that's the camera right there. Hi, everybody! And the reason why you're here, Iggy Koopa, is that you're going to be featured in some future videos. Would you like that? Oh my goodness, yes! I would love that! Hear that, guys? I'm a new character! Haha, yes you are, Iggy Koopa. So, yep. Here's the front. And here's the side. And here's the back, spiky shell, and here's his other side, and he's got his wand, and here's the tag. That's him on the tag right there, Iggy Koopa 67, and made in China, the warning label, and official Nintendo licensed product, ages 7 and up. By Sani and Little Buddy, designed and manufactured by Sani Corporation Limited, 2F Tug BLDG, number 1 to 10, 2 Chom Idabashi, Shiodu-ku, Tokyo, Japan. And it's by Little Buddy. It's a nice plush. You're a keeper, Iggy.